Alright, so this is a tutorial of how to play boots by Aldair for Preparatory A RCM 2015 edition. So you're going to start on G, that is one G above the G next to middle C, so over here. And then you're going to just step down with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. Then press that C twice, so then this G twice, and one C over here. Let's put it all together. Once you've done that, give a little pause and do it again. But this time, actually, right hand will join in. For this G, it will be a D, and for this C, it will be E. So you see, it's the same thing, plus the last two things, right hand did D and E, like this. So now I'm going to start again all the way from beginning. Next part, this was quite loud, and next part will be quiet. You're going to use 2 on an E and go E, F. And after that, press D with F, G in the left hand like this. And then G with the same left hand. So let's put it together. One more time, just for you to see. After that happened once, then you do similar rhythm from D, E. And then C with E, G. And then G with the same. So the second part of it is. So now the new part that was quiet sounds like that. Then you have 1, 2 silence, and you press D in the left hand, F in the right hand, then F and D here. And now I'm going to show the whole new part. 1, 2, right? Wait. And now you count again 1, 2, and you're going to be exactly doing the beginning again, mezzo forte, medium loud. And then you move everything exactly as you were over here from that G below middle C and do the same thing, but quietly. Now we're going to do the whole song, and check out the video we have also on the channel of Gary playing the whole song as well. And at the end, of course, you're going to be a bit faster like this. Prepare. There we go.